Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo man out here, making my way out to the, well, I've already been out to the garage, working in KJ's shop today. And I want to pose a couple questions to you here. If you say that you're a connoisseur of something, what does that mean? Do you have to have multiple examples of that particular thing that you're connoisseuring? Yeah, right. Or are you just kind of dabbling into it? Well, here at Mongo's Garage, KJ and I are all in. Everybody knows BOV1, Clifford, Larry, the Buddha Bronco, Wheezy, and inside is Pam. But today what we're after here is going to be the hitch off of the Buddha Bronco so that we can get it installed on the Clifford and go pick up our firewood. Now, it's not firewood yet, but it is a project that's going to pay us some money and get us some firewood. So I've got to get this U-Haul hitch off of here and get that onto Clifford. The Buddha Bronco is definitely the one parts truck around here that continues to give. We've taken a lot of stuff off of this thing so far. Thank heavens for Cali too, huh? Huh? That's a special front bumper, if I ever saw one. There's a piece of unobtainium. Oh, why is it rolling forward? That's the best 80s grill you have. That's what we needed, another bullnose on the farm. Alright everybody, it is now, I don't know, it's sometime after, probably close to 2 o'clock, Saturday. We got just about everything done here on Clifford, on the lift. Let's see what we did, huh? Work our way to the back of the truck. And there it is. One Reese hitch. Thanks to the Buddha Bronco. We even put some lights on it. Trailer lights are all wired up. Legitimate. Grade A hardware on both sides. I even painted it. All right, let's get this thing on the ground.